Hey guys, I'm your host. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are going to learn on how to switch to business account in Uber. Now, let's start the video. So, first, open your Uber app. Let it load. After letting it load, here you can see this is your main user interface where there are many options like for Excel groups, reserve and relax, premier trips, send a package. Now, what you need to do is click on the account app. Now, the business account of Uber gives you extra options depending on your availability on how often do you use the app. So basically in this section, this is your profile section. Here you can see several options like help, wallet, trips, your rating, your name, options like send a gift, setting, messages, earn by driving or delivering, shuttle package. Now below this you can see this business hub option. Just click on it. After clicking on it, you can read the main options like get more with business travel, quicker, easier expensing sync automatically with expensing apps. So this gives you a very good hand. Keep work trips separate. Get receipts to your work email. Get travel reports, see trip activity all in one place. So you need to just click on this turn on option. When you click this on turn on option, simplify business trips, right for work and save time expensing. Now, here are three options. Now, what you can do is join an existing organization. If you are an employee of several organization, you can use this option. Create new organization refers to when you create your own business or you are the owner of some company or travel agency. Now, if you want to just be single and create an individual account, click on this create an individual account. Now, what will happen is that it will show you enjoy the benefits of Uber reimagined for business. Get started to see if your organization offers travel or meal benefits through Uber for business or create a new account. Now, click on get started. Now, here enter your Gmail ID. Let it load. After choose payment method from which you're going to choose. Now click on Paytm. Suppose travel reports. How frequently do you want to get your travel reports? I want to get it weekly, so I will get it weekly. Now link an expenses program. Now this is an expensive program. You can also skip it. Well, this is to upload your receipt where your receipt will come after your travel. Now you can skip this if you want to, or otherwise you can log in one or two of these. Click on skip. After this, a message will appear you are ready to ride. So your account is now ready as a business account professional. Okay, now this is for this video. I hope you understood how business account works and how can you switch from a normal account to a professional account. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.